Since the beginning of time, algae microorganisms have flourished in all the oceans of the world. They have been instrumental in the creation of life and form the fundamental building blocks for many important products. The growth and farming of this industry has been slow to develop
because most agriculturally produced algae is not sustainable in order to produce commercial quantities of valuable chemicals, pharmaceuticals, nutraceuticals, feedstock, and renewable biofuels.
However, a new sustainable production paradigm that is both financially and environmentally compatible is on the horizon. Imagine using saltwater, algae, and technology to create a sustainable resource for bio-oil production using innovative technology. Imagine a system that continually produces rich bio-oils at an accelerated pace, creating pharmaceuticals, nutraceuticals, and valuable omega-3 chemicals. This technology has arrived and is under development and testing in Northwest Florida. The Symbiotic Energy System, or SES, uses solar energy algae bioreactors that combine natural sunlight, artificial LED light, and electromagnetic energy to produce commercial volumes of energy-rich biomass each day.
I'm really excited today to see that all of the possibilities that we dreamed about back in the 60s now are coming to fruition. People have worked out the technologies. The algal culture growth is now a working system, and I can see its applications to many, many different current problems.
The wonderful thing about this is that we can produce very large quantities in very small areas. It has been around for probably 40, 50 years where people are producing algae for various things, but they do it on palms and large acreage. We can produce it in a very small area, very much greater density, very much more controlled situation than any outside or open system can be. It's a closed, controllable system to produce top quality products with very little impact on the environment.
This system allows us to commercialize biomass production through biofuels, through pharmaceuticals and nutraceutical chemicals, essentially by taking what nature does and improving on that.
The Symbiotic Energy System proposes to convert harmful smokestack CO2 air pollution into energy-rich algae biomass that is then converted into green bio-oil and refined into nutraceuticals, omega-3 oils, fuels like kerosene, gasoline, and diesel, and other valuable chemicals. The SolarMagnatron bioreactor system, currently under development, is combined with 3 patented technologies to create a symbiotic energy system, which results in a unique proprietary, cost-efficient, and sustainable process that produces liquid energy from CO2 pollution, solar and electromagnetic energy, water, and technology. The symbiotic relationship starts with QDS technology, capturing CO2 and other harmful chemical pollutants from smokestack industry emissions, and converts these pollutants into nitrogen-rich nutrients and clean CO2. These ingredients are next injected into our SolarMagnatron algae biomass reactor to grow energy-rich, wet algae biomass. The third catalytic process converts the cellular oil and water biomass into a very pure green bio-oil that can be refined into various chemicals, fuels, and nutrients, or fed back into the industrial or electrical power plant to help satisfy their fuel requirements. This completes the symbiotic cycle. The Symbiotic Energy System creates low-cost continuous production of valuable algae feedstock using natural and artificial sunlight, seawater, and proprietary electromagnetic stimulation, which dramatically increases the growth rate of energy-rich marine algae up to and exceeding 300% per day. These 3 combined highly efficient and sustainable technologies can be developed into many commercial applications. The SolarMagnatron bioreactor uses solar energy and a patent-pending technology that generates specific amounts of electromagnetic energy that electrostatically charges the water and algae mixture to stimulate rapid cell division. This dramatic technology breakthrough has been shown to increase algae cell division by over 300% per day.
Today we have had great results in the lab. I'm very excited. Just within the last 7 days, specifically the last 24 hours, we have surpassed the 300% increase of biomass. Ours is at 438% today, and that is the standard to make algae biomass commercially viable and applicable for biofuels or bio-based products. So we can use our technology of electromagnetic stimulation to supercharge, stimulate the growth rate of this algae and produce 300 to 400 or more % using our technology to make it commercially viable.
This self-contained system is thermatic and computer controlled to maximize optimal organism growth conditions. Unlike conventional extensive algae pond systems that use hundreds of acres of water and are very slow to produce, multiple SCS biomass systems linked together with an algae extraction and conversion plant create a much smaller footprint. The symbiotic energy system with SolarMagnatron can be easily located in higher solar radiance areas like the Gulf of Mexico coastline or other rural areas, creating hundreds of new jobs and related industry opportunities. The symbiotic energy system is a leading-edge, sustainable technology that can produce bio-oils and valuable nutraceutical and pharmaceutical products with cost-effective, green technology.